The MCP server for Power Apps authoring now is in public preview. So today I'm testing whether AI can build a real Power Platform solution. Hello, I'm Rizwan. I work with Microsoft 365 and Power Platform. For this demo, I'm building a simple purchase tracker mobile app. First, I connect to Claude Code, to SharePoint, Microsoft Graph, the Power Platform CLI, the Power Apps co-authoring MCP server. Then I give it three prompts. One builds the SharePoint backend, one builds the Power Apps, one builds the Power Automate flow. Prompts are given in the description. This mobile app stores purchase details from the attached receipts, letters or invoices, and calculate the monthly expenses, and then send out AI powered email confirmation. Well, from the testing, MCP Server automates most of the development work with only a few tweaks required by the developer.